There is something strange that happens inside a man's mind, something he does not talk about, something he tries to hide, even from himself. It starts quiet, soft, almost nothing. But then, it grows. It becomes a thought he cannot shake. No matter how busy he is, no matter how hard he tries to push it away. It is the thought of one woman. Not every woman, not women in general. Just one moment he keeps replaying. And here's the part that will surprise you. Most of the time, he doesn't even understand why she's stuck in his mind. Men don't sit there trying to fall for someone. They don't plan it. They don't force it. It just happens. One small thing, a look, a laugh, a tiny act of kindness, can make a man's mind stop for a second. And that loop becomes a quiet obsession he never admits to. He tells himself he's fine. He tells himself it's no big deal. But the truth is this, men don't get stuck on many women. They get stuck on one. And when they do, it feels like she lives in a small room inside their chest. He can go to work. He can hang with friends. He can scroll his phone. But she is still there in the back of his thoughts, waiting. And here's the real hook, the thing I want you to hold on to for the entire video. There is a hidden reason men get locked onto one woman, and it has almost nothing to do with love. Most people never talk about it. Most men never understand it. Most women never see it coming. But when you learn it, when you see what truly happens inside him, you will understand more about male psychology than most people ever will. And I'm going to reveal that reason at the end of this video. Stay with me, because this secret changes everything. Every man has a world inside him that he never shows. Not because he wants to hide it, but because he doesn't always know how to explain it. Men feel things in a slow way, a deep way, a quiet way. Their emotions don't rush to the surface. They sit low like water under the ground, still, calm, silent, until something touches it. And when one woman touches that quiet place, even by accident, a man feels a pull he cannot control. It doesn't feel loud. It doesn't feel wild. It feels like a soft tug inside his chest, almost like someone gently knocking on a door. And he wonders, why her? Why now? Why can't I stop thinking about this? But he won't say any of this out loud. Men rarely talk when something means a lot to them. They talk when things don't matter. They get quiet to something strange to him. It makes him pay attention to moments he normally ignores, the way she looks when she's thinking, the small things she does when she's not trying to impress anyone, the way her voice changes when she's excited or calm or just being herself. He notices these things without wanting to, without planning to. This is how men fall, but not the way people think. Men don't fall all at once. They fall in pieces, tiny pieces, a look, a word, a moment, a memory. Each piece connects into something he cannot push away, and the more he tries to ignore it, the stronger the pull becomes. But here's where it gets even more interesting. A man doesn't get drawn to a woman because she is perfect. He gets drawn because she wakes up a part of him he forgot he had. A quiet part, a soft part, a real part. This is only the start of what happens inside him. The deeper truth, the one almost no one talks about, comes next. Men don't choose the moment they lock onto one woman. It just happens, almost like someone flips a switch inside their mind. And the crazy part, most men don't even notice it happening until it's already too late. A man can meet many women in his life. He can be around beauty, charm, confidence, everything people say men want. But none of that makes him attach. Men don't lock onto a woman because of her looks. They lock on because of how she makes them feel without even trying. It might be the way she moves, or how she talks, or how she makes the room feel lighter just by being there. It might be the comfort he feels around her, or the peace in her voice, or the way she makes him forget the rest of the world for a moment. Sometimes it's not even something she does, it's something she is. That soft, warm, natural energy that slips under his guard before he knows what's happening. Men don't fall when they feel safe. Men fall when they feel seen, and when one woman sees him in a way he hasn't felt in years, in a way that feels real, simple and gentle, his mind tags her as different, special, rare, one of one. He won't say this out loud. He won't even admit it to himself. Men are slow to speak about the things that matter most, but inside he feels it. A shift, a spark, a pull. And here's the strange part. A man can walk away from a woman he likes. He can move on from a woman he finds attractive, but he cannot walk away from the woman who wakes up a part of him he thought was gone. That's not something he controls. That's something that happens to him. And this is where the story changes, Because once his mind locks onto that one woman, even lightly, it does something he never planned for. It starts building a picture of her, a gentle picture, a hopeful picture, a picture he keeps going back to, even when he doesn't want to. And that picture becomes the thing he thinks about at night, and the first thing he remembers in the morning. But the real twist, the thing that explains everything, comes as we look deeper into what actually triggers that picture inside him. And that's what the next section reveals. There are tiny signals a woman gives without even knowing it. Small things, soft things, things she doesn't plan or force. But to a man, these little signals feel almost like a key turning inside him. And the strange thing is, she has no idea she's doing it. It might be the way she smiles when she's trying not to laugh, or the way she listens when someone talks. Not pretending, not acting, just listening. It might be the way she shows kindness without thinking about it, how she speaks to others, how she handles stress, how she stays calm when life isn't calm at all. Or maybe it's the way she makes him feel lighter, like he can breathe a little easier just because she's near. These signals are small, but inside a man they hit hard. Not because they're flashy, not because they're loud, but because they feel real. Men are drawn to realness more than anything else. They can sense when someone is honest without trying to impress. They can feel when someone's energy is warm, steady, and safe. And when a woman gives off these signals, even without meaning to, a man's mind quietly marks her as different. He may not know why, he may not know how, he may not be able to explain it at all, but something inside him says, pay attention, don't forget this. She matters. This is why he keeps replaying moments. This is why he remembers small things she said. This is why her voice, her laugh, her little habits stay with him long after she's gone. These signals slip past his walls, past his pride, past the part of him that tries to stay tough. They reach the softest place inside him, the place he never shows, the place he protects, the place he guards more than anything. And once those signals reach that place, she becomes the one he can't stop thinking about. But this is only the surface. The deeper truth, the one that explains everything about how men think, shows up in the next part. Men don't always talk about what they feel, but they think about what they feel over and over again and again. This is something many people don't understand. When a moment means something to a man, he replays it in his mind like a scene from a movie. Not because he wants to fall deeper, but because the moment gave him a feeling he doesn't get often, a feeling he misses, a feeling he wants to hold on to. He might replay the way she said his name, or the way she looked at him for just a second longer, or the way she made him laugh when he didn't expect to smile. These moments seem small from the outside, but to him they feel big, they feel warm, they feel rare, and rare things stay in a man's mind. Men don't fall for loud memories, they fall for quiet ones. A simple walk, a soft smile, an honest talk that felt safe, a short moment that felt peaceful. These tiny memories become the thing he thinks about when he's alone, when he's tired, when he doesn't want to face the world. They give him comfort, hope, a sense of calm he doesn't feel often. And here's the part most people never hear. Men don't replay moments to figure her out. They replay them to figure themselves out. Why did I feel something there? What did she wake up inside me? Why do I want to see her again so badly? He's not obsessed with her. He's obsessed with the version of himself he felt when he was around her. A softer version, a happier version, a more open version. The kind of man he wants to be every day, but rarely gets the chance to feel. And once he tastes that feeling, even for one small moment, he can't shake it. This is how one woman becomes the center of his thoughts without trying. But the deeper reason he stays loyal to those thoughts that comes next. When a man can't stop thinking about one woman, people often guess it's because of love or desire or some big romantic dream. But most of the time it's something much simpler and much deeper. A man stays loyal in his thoughts because she touches a part of him. He doesn't open for many people. Men don't give their inner world to just anyone. Not their hopes, not their fears, not their soft spots. So when one woman slips through his guard, even gently, his mind treats her like someone important. Even if they aren't together, even if nothing is happening between them, even if he tells himself to move on, something in him holds on to her anyway. Because to him she isn't just another person, she is the rare person who made him feel safe without asking him to be perfect. Men are loyal to peace, men are loyal to softness, men are loyal to the one person who makes their heart feel steady. It's not about what she gives him, it's about what she awakens in him. And when a man feels a sense of peace around someone, real peace, his mind does not let her go easily. He might try to distract himself. He might try to stay busy. He might tell himself she's out of reach. But his thoughts still drift back to her, because she became a place of comfort inside him, a place he didn't know he needed until she showed up. And here's the part that surprises people. A man can be loyal to a woman even when she is not his, even when he knows nothing will happen, even when she has no idea how deeply she touched his life. His loyalty comes from the feeling, not the situation, and that feeling stays as long as she is tied to the softest part of him. But there's also something he fears, something he never says out loud, and that fear is the very thing that keeps her in his mind even more. That's what the next section reveals. Men may look strong on the outside, calm, steady, in control, but inside they carry a fear they almost never talk about. A quiet fear, a deep fear, a fear that ties directly to why one woman stays in their mind. It's the fear of being misunderstood. Most men grow up learning to hide their real feelings, not because they don't have them, but because they learned early that their feelings weren't welcome. Be strong, don't cry, man up. So they close the door, they lock it, they guard it with everything they have. But then, one woman walks into their life and makes them feel safe in a way that scares them. Safe enough to relax, safe enough to open up a little, safe enough to be honest for one simple moment. And it's in that moment, that tiny, gentle moment, when a man thinks, what if she sees the real me and walks away? That's the fear he never speaks. He fears losing the one person who made him feel something good after a long time of feeling nothing at all. He fears being soft with her and then being forgotten. He fears letting her matter and then having to pretend she didn't. This fear does something powerful to his mind. It makes every moment with her feel bigger than it was. It makes every memory shine brighter. It makes her stand out from everyone else, because she wasn't just a woman he liked. She was the woman who touched the part of him he hides from the world, the part he protects, the part he guards, the part he almost never shares. And this fear of losing something rare, something soft, something safe, keeps her living in his thoughts long after the moment has passed. But there is something even deeper than fear. Something that changes a man's path completely. Something that makes one woman unforgettable, even when he tries to forget. And that deeper truth comes next. There is a moment in every man's life when someone shows him a new version of himself. Not by teaching him, not by fixing him, not by pushing him, but simply by being someone who brings out the best in him without even trying. This is why one woman can change the direction of a man's life without saying a single word. When he is around her, he feels calmer, he feels lighter, he feels more like the man he wants to be. And that feeling is powerful. It doesn't matter how short the moment was. It doesn't matter if they barely knew each other. It doesn't matter if they drifted apart. Once she wakes up that better version of himself, his mind cannot let her go, because he doesn't just miss her. He misses who he was with her. A man will run from many things in his life, stress, pain, pressure, judgment, but he will chase one thing forever, the feeling of becoming a better man. And if she was the one who lit that spark inside him, she becomes a symbol of everything he wants to grow into. This is why he thinks about her when he's alone at night. This is why he wonders where life would be if he had stayed close to her. This is why her memory feels warm every time it returns. She represents a turning point, a moment of clarity, a breath of fresh air in a world that often feels heavy. And in quiet moments he asks himself, why her? Why did she change something in me? What did she pull out of my heart that no one else could reach? But he doesn't have the answer yet, not the real one, because the real reason is deeper than emotion, deeper than memory, deeper than desire. It is a truth about men that almost no one talks about, and that truth is the key to why she stays in his mind for so long. That truth is waiting in the next section. Here is the truth most people never see, the truth that explains everything. A man doesn't think about one woman because she was perfect, or because she did something dramatic, or because he placed her on a pedestal. He thinks about her because she showed him a feeling he didn't know he was missing. She opened a door inside him he didn't even know existed, a door to peace, a door to comfort, a door to a soft place where he didn't have to pretend. And once that door opens, a man cannot close it again, not because of her, but because of what he felt when she was near. Here is the twist. He is not attached to the woman. He is attached to the version of himself that she unlocked, the version that laughs easier, breathes deeper, feels lighter, trusts more, hopes more, lives more. He is not chasing her. He is chasing the feeling of becoming someone he actually liked being. A rare feeling, a fragile feeling, a feeling he doesn't find often. She wasn't magic. She wasn't perfect. She wasn't some dream. She was simply the one person who made him feel safe enough to be real. And reality, true emotional reality, is something men guard more than anything else. So when a woman touches that reality, even once, she leaves a mark he cannot erase. It wasn't her looks, it wasn't her words, it wasn't the moment, it was what the moment told him about himself. It told him he still had a soft heart, it told him he could still connect, it told him he could still feel something deep and warm and human. That's what he holds on to, that's why she lives in his mind, that's why she stands out from everyone else. And now we can reveal the final truth, the truth that ties this entire story together, the piece that brings everything full circle. That final truth comes next. So here is the truth I promised you from the very beginning, the truth hidden behind every memory, every replayed moment, every quiet thought he can't escape. A man doesn't stay stuck on one woman because she was the one that got away. He stays stuck because she was the one who woke up the part of him he thought he had lost. The part that could feel deeply, the part that could trust, the part that could hope, the part that could open up without fear. She didn't fix him, she didn't save him, she didn't pull him out of darkness. She simply showed him that he still had light inside him. And when a man sees his own light, even for one small moment, he never forgets the person who helped him notice it. That is why she stays in his thoughts. That is why he carries her in his chest. That is why he can move on in life but never fully move on in his mind. She represents the moment he remembered, what kind of man he wants to be, the gentler man, the open man, the peaceful man, the real man. And that version of himself is something he hopes to meet again, with her or without her. Because here is the true twist. It was never about the woman, it was always about the part of himself she helped him find. That is why the thought of her feels so strong, so deep, so impossible to forget. She was a mirror that reflected a side of him he didn't know was still alive, but now he knows, and that knowing changes him forever. So if you ever wonder why a man can't stop thinking about one woman, it's not because she was perfect, it's not because he is weak, it's not because he is stuck, it's because she touched the most guarded place inside him, and woke up a version of him he never wants to lose again. That is the power one woman can have without even trying. And that is the truth behind male psychology that almost nobody ever talks about.